Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off SMS delivery report in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to get the delivery report of your SMS, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your SMS app and here just click on the profile icon here, click on it, then click on message settings. Now, once you are message setting, you just have to select your SIM from here. So let's say I'm going to select my first one. Now, once you are in your SIM message setting, you might see an option like get SMS delivery report. So you just have to enable this. Once you have enabled, now you will get SMS delivery reports, find out when an SMS message is delivered. Or if you want to turn it off, just click on it and it will be turned off. So in this way, you can easily turn on or off your SMS delivery report in Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you and for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.